Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching us. Welcome again in this tutorial where we are going to learn how to add custom fields to products on Shopify. You notice I have added two products already, and in this YouTube channel, we have different tutorials on how to use Shopify, and you're so much welcome to watch them so that maybe if you have an issue with adding products, you can learn how to do that. So now here, our focus will be how to add custom fields to products on Shopify. So if I click on, let's say the white hood here, down here to variants, if I click on add options like size and color, you notice I only have size, color, material, style. I can also add another option here, and then maybe I'll give it a name, maybe quality, and then come down here and give for the quality. I can give the option values. If it's for color, I can give the option values here. Maybe you notice you have black and all that. So this is one way of adding the variants, but you notice it is very, very limited to just this. So how now do we add custom fields to our products here? So I'm going back to my products here, and you notice I'll just leave the page. Don't want to save that. So I have the company hood. If now I click on company hood, and then now at the top here, you need to customize maybe a certain part. In this case, we just want to customize our product page. So that's what I'm going to select, products. And then I go to my products here. I want to customize the custom fields for this hood. We are calling it the company hood here. So we want to customize these fields here. So to do that, you'll just come to the left-hand side after opening the product that you want to edit the custom field. And you notice we have the product information where we have the text, title, price, variant, picker, quantity selection, and all that. Then you'll come down here and click on add block here. Once you click on add block, then you select the type of block that you want, be it a text, SKU, inventory. So we are going to select on text. And you notice now we have a text block added here. So you click on that text block, and you notice it's also added on this side of the item. Then you come to it here, and then you click on connect dynamic source. Once you click on that, you have this option, product main page. You have the title, you have the vendor, and then you have the add meta field. So you'll click on add meta field, click on that, and this will take you to your admin page of your Shopify store. And now you notice now here you can add the definition for your product meta field. So we'll start by giving it a name here. We want our meta field to be maybe the source. Maybe our products come from different places. So we want to have a source as our meta field. And then we want the space name to just be that custom. We now give the definition for that. So we want this source to be, maybe this is from Turkey. Maybe we have other types from elsewhere. So we can just select the description to just be from Turkey. And we type here, we just want it to be single line. And then we can have the validations here. Values can contain letters, that is in numbers, and also special characters where you can limit to preset choices. And then you can set the minimum characters to be searched, the maximum, and then you specify a pattern for the values to match, but all these are optional. So once you have done that, you will click on save. And you now notice we have a product meta field definition. So here we have the source that has been added, and then the product meta field, and then you notice the quality that we had added was already here. So if you now click on that source, you notice now it takes you to the source and then the description, and then you now click on save, and then the definition has now been saved. So if we want to add another custom field, we'll still do the same thing. We'll just come back here. We can now call this maybe something like origin. So now notice on this side, we have the origin there added. We can still retain it as source, but if we now click, we can now click on save that, and our product has been saved. So quickly, we want to add another one. We want to exit that side. Again, come to our theme. We said you click on customize, and then you want to add a custom field to the product. You click on products again, and then we want to add that. You click on the product. We want to add it here. So come under product information again, click on add block, and then you select which type. Maybe it's a text, whatever it is. And you notice we also have app blocks. So after you click on add block, so select on text, and you notice now a text block has been added here. You can now click on that and then come to connect dynamic source, and then click on add meta field. Then as usual, you can just change here usability. Maybe that's what you want to add as usability, and then you want to give the description. Maybe this is moderately used, that way. And so after that, you can also decide to select on the type here. You can select the product, whatever it is you want to product. It's for one product or for the list of products. I want it to be for the list of products here, or for one product. Let me click for just one product so that I don't have it on the other products. So you click on save. And so you notice now we have our meta field here, usability, source, and quantity. And now you notice here, the quality here we selected for the product variant. And then for the source, we select a single line text. And then for the usability, we have just selected a product here. And so if we come back to now, if we exit that and come back to our products, we click on products and then click on companyhood. Now, if we come down here, what you'll notice is we now have these meta fields added. We have usability, we have the source, and then we have the quality added. And so if you just click on any of the meta field, it takes you directly to that product usability. You notice now, if now I just click on usability here, it opens the product usability moderately used, and I can even go to the definition. I can select the product. If I click on source, it gives me the source. You notice the single line there, it's from Turkey. If I click on quality, again, you notice it takes me to the definition. The quality here is new. And then I can also select the variants. If you can click on usability, then we can go to select the product we want to have usability. We have it, we want it to be on companyhood also. We click on that. You now notice our details about that product. So if we now come down here for our meta fields, you notice already the usability for the companyhood is ticked for the meta field. And then the quality here, it's also been ticked. So I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.